Say you want your photograph black and white, but you want to change some of the colors. Like I didn't want my stocking red, I really wanted my stocking pink or yellow or orange. How would you do that? How would you hand paint it with it looking natural? So here I have my black and white layer. I'm actually just going to delete my mask. Delete layer mask. So now I'm back to black and white. Still have my original photo, Christmas black and white. I'm going to go ahead and add a new layer. New layer, I'm going to call this one paint. So there's a couple things you can do. You can get a paintbrush and you can pick any color you want. So say we want to make my stocking green. Okay. I can turn my opacity down on my paint and I can hand paint my stocking green. There's that. I'm not a big fan of that, so I'm going to back up. Another thing that you can do is instead of changing the opacity, you can paint directly onto the stocking. So here we go. Again, it's not going to be perfect. So I'm painting my stocking green. Yay. I'm on a separate layer. I'm going to change my blending modes. So here's normal. Once normal is highlighted, so there's a blue box around it, I'm going to use my down arrow key so I can go through all of them. So they're changing. Dissolve, darken. There we go. Darken, multiply. Multiply looks pretty good. Looks kind of natural, other than my terrible paint job. Color burn doesn't look bad either. Linear burn, darker color. So each one is going to do different things. I love blending modes. I really like that one, the overlay. So now I'm going to go back in. Ooh, wrong brush. And I'm going to clean up my stocking. So I could clean that. I'm using an eraser now. So I just used a regular paintbrush. So if I turn off these layers, you can see what the stock looks like. It looks terrible. It's not that great. There we go. So that's another option if you wanted to hand paint something. Blending modes or turning the opacity down on your paint color.